Phoenix Park is located in Thurnscoe in Barnsley. The word Thurnscoe is derived from Old Norse for thorn tree wood, was recorded as Turnesk, and was historically a farming village. Phoenix Park is located on the site of Hickleton Main Colliery. The name Hickleton is thought to possibly mean woodpecker settlement, and in this case referring to the company that sunk the mine, Hickleton Main Coal Company. The sinking of two shafts began in 1892 and was finished by 1894. A third shaft was sunk between 1921 and 1923. It worked the Barnsley, Parkgate, Thorncliffe, Dunsill, Lowmain and Newhill seams, with the latter three only being worked from 1954 and Thorncliffe and Parkgate in 1923 and 25 respectively, with Thorncliffe reaching the third shaft and Parkgate when the number 2 shaft was deepened to 789 yards. At its peak in 1940, 3,600 people worked there, with 3,000 above and 600 below. At its peak in 1947, it produced 945,000 tonnes of coal. In 1944, King George VI and Queen Elizabeth visited the mine to thank the miners for their contribution to the war effort. There is a memorial in Thurnscoe Cemetery, which was unveiled in 2006, with the names of 161 miners from the colliery that died, but more recent research suggests that it could be closer to 175. The oldest was Charles Gibson, who was 69 and died on the 8th of March 1928, and the youngest was John Flanagan, who was 13 and died on the 27th of June 1903. Eventually, owing to the miners' strike, bad geology, and exhaustion of the seams, it closed in 1988. The shafts were filled and the site cleared between 1991 and 1994. The opening of Phoenix Park on this site was on the 1st of December 2001, with the name being chosen by local children in a competition. The word phoenix comes from the Greek word Phoenician, meaning a blend of red and purple, referring to the bird's feathers. I like to think it was chosen for the name of this park as it rose from the ashes of the colliery, like a phoenix rises from the ashes.